welcome to Positive Recovery with Corinna, and welcome to part 6 of our Scottish tour, where Crazy Bee and I are riding around the coast and taking other sights on the way, as you will find out in today's little vlog. This is my Crazy Bee. She is a Can-Am Spyder F3-S with a 1330cc triple Rotax engine. Good morning from Boat of Garten in the Cairngorms National Park. Today we are off to Brechin. We've got about 2-hour 20-minute ride to get there. We were supposed to be going on a big trike and bike ride out, but the weather had other plans this morning, and so did our bodies, especially after yesterday's big ride. Today's route is going to take us through the Cairngorms National Park. Angie's in the lead on her Spyder F3-S and Walter is behind on his BMW. I will get a little bit of footage of the Cairngorms for you today, but not an awful lot, because if you scroll down 2 years ago, it's all there, along with lots more. We are pushing south towards Dundee and slightly over to the east towards Brechin Castle, which is the meeting point. As I say, we're going to be too late, but you never know, we might actually get to bump into the ride that runs from it runs from 12 till 2. It's a very slow ride because people come and line in the streets to watch it. Might be able to tag on the end. But if not, hopefully it'll be in prime position to get some footage of lots of the bikes and trikes when they come back from the ride. So stay tuned for all the fun of the fair. Whilst this is playing, please remember to hit that subscribe button, and if you're enjoying this vlog, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your mates. And if you'd like to buy me a cup of coffee, then you can do so by clicking on the link in my bio. It's very much appreciated. Thank you. Hats off to all you cyclists up and down these hills. I'll stick to me engine. I'll tell you a little bit about Brechin Bike Trike Fest. It started in 2024 and has become an annual event held at Brechin Public Park in Angus in Scotland, and it celebrates motorcycles, trikes and Brechin's connection with Harley Davidson's history, because Arthur Davidson's family had roots in Brechin area before emigrating to America, where Harley Davidson was co-founded. Deja vu. It seemed like only yesterday that I was here. But you can never ever get tired of riding through Tomintoul. Love it here. Highland tourist route, snow road, scenic route. You'll notice as we're riding that you'll see some orange gates that they put across the road. They're snow gates because this is a skiing centre, and it does get pretty cut off in the winter. You also feel the temperature drop by a good couple of degrees once you start riding up here. The well of the Lecht down there, so we're just starting to climb up to Lecht Centre, which is on the top of the hill there. I was here yesterday as well. It definitely gets colder up the top there. What I love about Scotland, well, there's many things I love about Scotland, but it's just the ever-changing scenery. You come over a hill around the bend and it's just a different landscape totally at some points. It's just stunning. But my best ride by far so far has been from Durness to Ullapool on the north coast, northwest. Absolutely out of this world. Far better than Norway, far better than Nordkap. If you can't get there, that's fine. Come ride Scotland. We were riding around trying to find some site of the ride, but we did manage to find a garage, so we decided to stop and fill up, and then a chase began. And they just went roaring past, but we were filling up with fuel, so now I've got to try and find out which way they're going next. There's marshals everywhere, so that's helpful. The marshals have gone. Is it this way? Yay, we found them and joined in, literally, right at the very end. Not like me to be late, I know. Looks like we can go and enjoy a fun day though once we're parked up. Oh wow. This is great. I love it. What a vibe. What a wonderful day. Met some wonderful people. Big shout out to Michael and Suzanne and Jim, who's going to hopefully escort me out of Scotland. You'll all be jumping at the chance to do that, won't you? On Tuesday. And also to Mary, lovely to see you all. We are now going to head up to Stonehaven, out to Montrose, up to Stonehaven, and join up my coast, and then go up above the top of the Cairngorms, so we haven't got so much mountains to ride, because Angie doesn't like heights very much, so she was a really brave rider coming out here, especially leading the way. Stonehaven. I was here yesterday but at a different part. I didn't come into the harbour because now we're heading inland around the west of Aberdeen. Lovely place to have a little helmet stop. Waterproofs on and the sun's come out, but that's okay, I don't mind that. We're back in the Cairngorms with stormy skies up ahead Hopefully we'll get home before we get too wet. I'm going to say ta-ta for now and leave you with the Relive.